What's the meaning of Android? Android. 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 Android.
Android is a term that refers to a type of operating system primarily used for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. The Android OS was developed by Google and is based on the Linux kernel. It allows users to download and use various applications from the Google Play Store and other sources. The system is known for its open-source architecture, which enables developers to create customized and innovative apps. Overall, Android has become one of the most widely used mobile operating systems globally, with an estimated market share of over 70%.